money alone enough to succeed in the stock market? Or is there something more? What separates successful investors from the rest? What is the hidden factor that can make or break your investment journey? Let's hear from financial expert Mr. Satish Prabhu. Satish Prabhu, over to you.
The leap of faith. Now, there was a young gentleman who got lost in the desert. He is extremely thirsty and trying to fight for his life. He knows that if he doesn't find water in the next couple of hours, he is going to die. And look at his, the way he is in the desert. After some time, he notices a small hut, and he says that this hut is going to be my savior because he feels that he is likely to find water in that hut. Now, he goes into the hut and he finds a water pump that you see here. He is so thrilled that he says that I didn't expect a water pump to be here in the desert. And now that I've found it, my life is saved. But that's not the end of the story. He tries to pump water out of that hand pump, but nothing comes out. Nothing, absolutely nothing. But he also sees that there is a small water bottle kept in the corner of the hut. He picks up that bottle, that there is some water in that bottle. Very little water is there in that bottle. Either he can drink that water, or there is a label on that bottle which says that if you put this water in the hand pump, it will give you as much water as you want. And he says that I have two choices. I can drink this water or I can put this water in the hand pump. But he feels that let me, use the leap of faith in what has been written on the bottle. He picks up that bottle, puts that water in the hand pump and tries to pump the hand pump, and water starts gushing out. What has he done? He has just used the leap of faith. He felt that whoever has written this on the bottle is correct. And if I put this in the hand pump, I'll get enough water. He got enough water. He drank the water. He had a nice bath and he was fresh to carry on with his journey. But before he left, he wrote another message on the bottle. He said that, believe me, that, and he put some water again in that bottle and he left another message on the bottle. He said, believe me, it works. So it is very important that when we invest in the equity markets, it is very important that we have a leap of faith in the market and we can tell others that I have invested in this market. Believe me, it works. Now look at the Sensex. This is the Sensex for the last more than 30 years. And it has Sensex, it has gold, and it has got government securities. Now look at the returns from the Sensex. 1 lakh becoming almost 30 lakhs, 30 times in 30 years. Whereas gold has become 19 lakhs in 30 years. And government securities have become 13 lakhs in 30 years. So it's very obvious that over longer periods of time, equities, while they fluctuate more, you can see that the blue line is fluctuating more, but it has given the best returns. So, but we are always scared because, when it dips, we are always scared, but we are very happy when it goes up. So it's very important to have that leap of faith in the equity markets to say that if it has done so well in the last 30 years, there is no reason why it should not do well even in the next 30 years. Okay, so we need to have that leap of faith in the market and tell people that, listen, I have invested in the equity markets for the last 10 years and believe me, it works.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.